Hi, this is Priya Agarwal from IMB 8 Green Badge, and this is my application video for the placement committee process. Coming to the first question, why you should not be shortlisted. When I reflect on this question, I don't think there is a reason why I shouldn't be selected. However, if I really have to think of a reason, I think one could be that I am someone who strives for perfection. I am a perfectionist at heart, which can sometimes be emotionally taxing and can slow down the process. However, one thing that I can assure you is that I'll never give up. I'll always reflect, recalibrate, and come back stronger. And I'll come to the table with honesty and all my heart to the work. And if you are looking for someone who's flawless, then don't hire me. But if you are looking for someone who brings a heart to the role, then I am your person. Coming to the next question, how would you place yourself in the batch? Then I would answer that I would place myself in the batch in the way that I would like to be placed. I would see people beyond their CVs, resumes, and LinkedIn profiles. I'll understand their stories, their dreams, and ambitions, and communicate the same to the recruiters as well. So they also see people for who they are beyond just their resumes, and help them get the right match, and our students get their dream job as well. Coming to the third question, one anecdote from IMD 7 batches. I remember this one instance that Farhan mentioned was that after the selection process, how did they felt, and he said that I'll miss the selection process. That is something that really stayed with me, that built a fire in me, and I was like, I want to feel that. That's why I am applying to feel that, to go through the grind and feel exactly what IMD 7 felt after this selection. Coming to the last part of the question, one team member of IMD 7 that you resonate the most with, I would say it's Akhilesh. Because there's one instance that they have mentioned that when everybody were out doing something else, probably having fun, he was sitting with his Excel and working, and that is exactly me. All through my experience so far, I've always noticed I can never leave the work undone, even if there's something fun activity happening or something else happening. If there is work on my desk that has to be done, I cannot leave it undone. I have to make sure it's happening regardless of what's happening outside. Once the work is done, only then can I leave my desk. So that's why I resonate the most with Akhilesh. That's my application. Thank you.